Alright, gang. So first things first, we gotta start in the trunk. Gotta take this out. This is the 2015 Challenger. So first things first, slide that out. I might have to put this camera down real quick. Get back with y'all. Alright, we got it up out of there. So from a couple videos I've seen, right in here, this little rubber grommet type thing where the wires go through is where you're gonna have to fish your wires through if you want a nice clean install. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that out, see if I can set this camera up, show y'all exactly what's going on. Oh man. So yeah, you basically, let's see, push in the middle of it and pull on the outside of it, and it just pops right out. So y'all can see that light. I mean, when I reach the outside. Yes sir, let's get it. All right, first things first, we need to buzz down this box real quick, man. Go ahead and get these contents out. Yes sir. All right, got the remote. I didn't get the Bluetooth version. I don't really feel the need for that. Apps be glitching out anyway. Having problems with my my Halos sometimes. Alright, the real stuff here. Power source, controller box. Let's see. Power source. You can plug it in. Positive. Gonna connect to one of these connectors. Plug directly into the fuse box, and that's what method I'm gonna use. You could do this method, plug it into a cigarette lighter, or you can direct wire it. But like I said, I'm gonna go with the method, the fuses. Got some clips and some screws. Adhesive booster, some more screws, some brackets, zip ties. Like I said, we're gonna get rid of that. Couple of extension pieces. I think that's it. Alright gang, so we're gonna pop the lights out the box. Got two different sizes for the sides and then the front and the back. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get them laid out so I can see exactly how the wires need to be ran and if I got enough. I don't know if y'all seen this box right here. This is just some leftovers from my interior install that I did with the lights in the previous video, if y'all watched that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and I'll show y'all. Alright, I got them all lined up with the wires closest to the back. So this is gonna be closest to this side because this is the side where the hole is on. Back there, you can see this wire facing the back and this one facing the right because the hole is right there. So on that note, it's time to get to work, baby. Yeah, we gotta go ahead and jack this up And I'm thinking I'm gonna start with the front and go from there. 'Cause I know that's where the longest extension has to be. So let's get to work, man. Alright, next step before we get to this install, man, we gotta throw this 3M tape on the back here. But y'all see the 2 holes. Boom. Boom. You feel me? But we just gonna throw this on here. Make sure she good, stable, and gonna stay on there. Let's get it. Alright, gang. 3M tape is on there. Show y'all the work spot. About to be right up under here with it. Somewhere close to this hole towards that direction. We got a tape measure. I added that to the tool list too, just so I can be a little bit more precise. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on there and show y'all what it looks like when we finish, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it with the camera right there. I could try, I guess, but let's get it.
That's what the love of money does.
Alright, gang. So, got the first one on. As y'all can see. I'm gonna throw the 3M tape. You see I got it peeled just a little bit over here on this side. I'm gonna throw it on there and throw some heat to it. And get started with the next. Yes, sir. Alright, I got my first extension on there. Probably gonna have to do some adjustments, but I'll show y'all where I run the wire after I run it, because it's about to get a little tedious. I need these wires to be hidden nice and neat, you feel me? Yes, sir. Alright, gang, as y'all can see, man, I got the heat gun, extra tool, man. Another tool you need, make jobs easier. Heat gun, threw some heat to it. Got that 3M sticking real good. So it's nice and flush right now, man. And what I did over here was I took this screw out. I don't know if y'all can see. Let's see. Took this screw out, slid the wire behind there. Now we about to jack up the other side, run it through the wheel well, get that extension back on there, put some electrical tape on there and keep it pushing, man. Let's go. Alright, gang, so I got the side one done. This is the second one we're about to do. What I did with the first wire, I added the extension, popped off a couple of these rivets, ran it in between there, came up here. You can see the wire right here. Slide all the way over here behind these, slid it down here. You can see it's coming out right there. So I'm about to do the side, get that one done, slide that extension back, and get right back with y'all. But yeah, it's gonna go under there somewhere. Alright, gang. As y'all can see, we took the jack out because I had the jack stands in there just in case, but I'm actually using it now because I had to get in there, right in there. Put that screw in there, let y'all see it, man. It's in there, 3M tape. I put some heat to it, so she's sticking real good. It's in there. On to the next, man. Let's go. All right, gang. We got the two. You know what I'm saying? Got the extension for the first one running through here. Y'all can see how it goes, man. Got the black tape on the connection. I got the one that goes on the side right here with the extension. So I'm about to run these through the wheel well onto the back, up into the trunk, and then start working on the one in the back. I should have did the one on the other side since I already had it jacked up, but first time, living you learn. Lessons not losses, baby. Let's get it. All right, gang. So let's see. Let me show you real quick. So I got the wires for the back here behind those little push pins all the way back here behind the shock. Boom. Behind this one. And it just falls behind there like that. So we're about to throw it up under the trunk, slide it through. For these two, get this third one on, and the other one should be a breeze. Let's see. Where the hole at? Oh, hold on. Yeah, right there. Right in there. We're gonna put the wires in there. Get it popping. Let's get it. All right. Y'all can see. Here come the wires. Blase. I cut a little slit in there, so I just gotta feed it through there so I can keep that sealed. But pretty smooth work, man. Ain't no wires showing. There we go. No wires showing. Y'all can't see nothing up under there. No. Yeah, we good, gang. We just gotta feed them wires through. 2 down, 2 to go. Let's get it. All right, gang. Let me get up under here real quick. Ah. All right. Let's focus. Come on now. Let's get right. All right. So, y'all can see, I got a zip tied right here. This space was not long enough, so I just got it zip tied in between both of the what you call these? Start with an R, I can't remember. Resonators. Right beside the resonators, man. So right inside is not touching. Hopefully it don't get too hot up under here. But I got some 3M tape right here up under this and right here. So hopefully it's pretty sturdy. Shouldn't go nowhere, man. All right, gang, going down. Ooh. Slow down, mister. That's it. We done. Got this side done, man. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, we ran the wires exactly how we did on the other side. Through the back, in the back of the shop, down through the back. All the way down there. I gotta cut that zip tie real quick. See, y'all see that, man? Pull it a little bit more. Tighten it up. Yep, we got all our wires right here, man. Now it's just plug and play. Let's go ahead and get this joint plugged up. Let's see if it works. That's one step I really did mess up on. I should have seen if they worked before we did all the work. But hey, we here now. You feel me? So let's get it. All right, gang. So we just gotta pick the right fuse, which I think is gonna be this one right here. Come down here where spare is at. Oh, it fits. Alright, so let's unplug it. Let's see if that one has power. You feel me? So we got it plugged in to one of the spares. I think it's like number 66 or something like that. 63 maybe. But pop this remote out. Let's see what's popping. Yeah. It's always this to remove for that battery. Let's see. Got nothing on that fuse. Alright, gang. As y'all can see, man, we lit. We lit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we lit now, baby. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yeah, it's cleanup time, but I gotta find a different fuse spot for my interior lights, because I don't know what's going on, man. I can't find one that works. Or I might can just go directly to the power source right there. Yeah, I guess I could do that.